Hi, I'm Ellen from the Chili Dog. I'm working on my swaying palms shawl, and today I'd like to show you how to do a purl front back or PFB. Like its more common cousin, the knit front back, purl front back is used to increase a stitch in your knitting. Since I'm using it along the neckline edge of my shawl, I'll show you how it works both for the edge stitch and for the next stitch in. Basically, we're going to be working 2 stitches into a single loop. First around the front leg of the loop like normal, then around the back leg of the loop. We'll start by making our purl stitch just like normal. Our yarn is at the front. Insert your right hand needle purlwise from the back to the front. Wrap your yarn and pull a stitch through, leaving the stitch on your left hand needle. Now we need to purl around the back leg or the back of the loop. I find it easiest to insert my needles purlwise from the back to the front between the first and the second stitch on my left hand needle. Then I'm going to pivot the right needle tip so that it goes through the first stitch. Then I can wrap my yarn just as I would to purl, pull the stitch back through, and drop the loop off the left needle. Instead of 1 stitch, I now have 2. Let's do that one more time. I'll purl just like normal, so my yarn is at the front. I insert my right needle purlwise, wrap, and pull the stitch through. And now I need to purl around the back of the loop or the back leg of the loop. I insert my needle purlwise between the first and second stitch, and then I'm going to pivot my needle tip so that it goes through the first stitch, wrap my yarn as if I'm purling, and then pull that stitch back through and off the left hand needle. I hope you enjoyed learning how to purl front back. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your knitting friends. If you'd like to try this technique in a pattern, head over to the shop section of thechilidog.com and look for my swaying palms shawl. Until we stitch again, happy knitting.